Hi everyone, this is Hartaj from New Colors Academy, and what I have in front of you is homonyms. What is homonyms? The words generally having the same pronunciation or a slight bit similar pronunciation but having different meanings. So let's start with learning basics of the same.
Mr. Khanna died in a railway collision. And collusion is some gentlemen act in collusion with robbers. We've done this word collusion. गठ जोड़ है ना वो coalition होता है coalition government नहीं. This was exactly where I had given a sentence. I'll
वो
explain that.
पुलिस वाला एग्जांपल
Yes, police and robbers acted in collusion with each other. गठ जोड़. Collision क्या होता है when there's a sudden, what do you call it? Collision would be टकरा गए in Hindi, simple word. This is takrana. Collusion is acting in accordance with something, or cooperation. Collision, I think so. Better word would be physical impact. Is it clear? Physical impact. Mr. Khanna died in railway collision. Correct. Some gentlemen act in collusion. That is in cooperation with the robbers. Absolutely correct. Both are correct. Any doubts with this?